Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. I hope you all are doing very well. And now in this video, I am just going to show you a very good thing. Means you all want that things which I am going to show you in this video. So firstly, I just show you the teaser. So after that, you may motivate to watch this full video. So this is the teaser. Means GitHub Campus Expert applications are now open, and if you are a GitHub Campus Expert, if you complete that 6 weeks free training by GitHub and different type of activities which GitHub organize, if you got selected in the GitHub Campus Expert, means then you got this type of free goodies from GitHub. So which you can see on the screen. There is a hoodie, there is a free t-shirt, there is a GitHub developer bag, and different type of other merchandise, different type of free trainings, many type of benefits are there from GitHub Campus Experts. So here you can see many type of means different type of things are there. So this is the latest photo which I see, and you can see this type of free t-shirt you got GitHub Campus Expert, and this t-shirt is sporty type. And also this means here this is a custom t-shirt. Means at the back you got your name or your GitHub address. So you can see here in the here on the hoodie you can see that. Just go back because this is opening LinkedIn. So means here you can see so here you can see on the hoodie you can see here there is an username. So that's thing. Means this is a custom made hoodies for the GitHub Campus Experts with this GitHub Campus Expert flag, with this bag and different type of other merchandise. Means you very means after getting this you got means these are the things which I personally doesn't get, because I not selected for GitHub Campus Experts. Anytime I applied for 2 times, but why I not got this, I doesn't why I failed to get GitHub Campus Expert. In this video I'm just going to show you. So firstly, this is my channel Career Edge, and please subscribe if you want this type of opportunities related to education for free by this Career Edge channel. So please subscribe. And also if you means now I am just going to show you all the things about GitHub Campus Expert program. So this is the page of GitHub Campus Experts, and here they are started accepting requests from all the students all over the India, all over the world for GitHub Campus Expert program. And this application is open till 29th of August 10 p.m. So you all can apply for this. What are the requirements, what are the criteria for the selection of GitHub Campus Expert program, I am just going to show you in this video. But firstly, there is a requirement for each of the student who are going to apply for this GitHub Campus Expert program, and that is GitHub student developer pack. So if you have a GitHub student developer pack, then only you can apply for this GitHub Campus Expert program. So what is the GitHub student developer pack and how you can get this you can see on my video. Here you can see that. Means the previous video on the GitHub Campus Expert, that is means that is on GitHub student developer pack, and already 338 views are there. Not much more views, because the means the student doesn't want any permanent solution, they only want free t-shirt, free goodies. Means I am just want to tell you that these are the things. T-shirt and different type of goodies and swags are temporary. Means you got one time and then there is no, means you wear and then you got bored. But this type of thing which you got from GitHub developer pack is, means different type of educational tools which are really helpful. Data Camp Pro and Azure, Microsoft Azure subscription, and different type of things which is mainly related to student, and they are made for the student. Different type of domains name that you got free domain, and different type of free emails which is from, means different domains, not only for .com email. So this is these are the things which you all got for free on GitHub student developer pack. So why you are not watching that video, or not watching is not matter, means why you are not going to apply for GitHub Student Developer Pack. So how you can apply for this, you can see this video. I am just going to show you. This is my channel, and here you can see the video list, and the first video is on the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Maybe many students don't get my means don't impressed by this video, because I'm not so much means I fail to explain all the things of the GitHub Student Developer Pack in this video. But I am just going to show you one more thing. From there you can get all the knowledge of GitHub Student Developer Pack. Here you can see I explain all the things, how you can apply for this, how you can do, what are the benefits. All the things are explained in this video. But if you fail to got my you got the language of this video, so there is one more video I am just going to show you. You can watch that video, and maybe that video will helpful, because that is in Hindi, and I explained all of the things. Total 12-minute video is there, and I think that is really helpful for you all. So just I'm going to show you, and also you got that video link in the description. So this is my channel Career Ignite. If you want to subscribe, if you think, just go through the video section of Career Ignite, and if you find that the things which I am uploading on this channel is helpful, then you can subscribe, you can like the video. And also, so in this video I explained all the things, means I doesn't think I doesn't. Here you can see there is an ad. Okay, just after this ad my videos start will start, and you can just go through the link in the description. You got that GitHub Student Developer Pack video. Both are the videos, one in English, one in Hindi, and I explained in both the videos how you can apply for this GitHub Student Developer Pack. So this video is of time is 20 minutes, means I explained in details all the things. So if you want to see this video, so there is a link in the description. You just go through that, and you can watch this video also. So I just stopping this, and now I am going to show you all about this student campus expert program and how you can apply it. Means I just explained that student developer pack is requirement of this before applying for this GitHub Student Developer Pack and GitHub Campus Expert Program. And if you think that you have not the GitHub Student Developer Pack and you can apply, but they doesn't select, because I also applied for 2 times, and I don't have that Campus Expert the Student Developer Pack, and they rejected me 2 times. But this time I have a Student Developer Pack, and now I am going to and now I am going to just applying for this GitHub Campus Access program. And I think this time they doesn't ignore me, they consider my application. So here you can see GitHub Campus Expert application, and is a requirement of email, graduation year, country, and what degree you are studying. After that, what means there are some questions, and you can see here total 3 questions are there, and only these 3 questions, but because of these 3 questions they are going to select. Firstly, you can see the general information. Anyone have this general information. So next thing, which are very means very much interesting, that only they are going to select anyone because of these 3 questions. So briefly describe your community. Are you building your growing community? So if you have any community, if you are joined with any community, you just going to explain here. If you are a campus ambassador and different any type of experience you have, you can share in this. What are the shared struggle students in your community face? If you are managing any community, then there are some students who fail to get what you are doing in that community. So how you can explain them about that community. You can share here. How will your community respond to this struggles? Means if anyone face anything, and if your community not growing as you want, so how you can do anything so that the community grows. So this type of struggle story you can see here, and also with the solution, how you can how you apply, which type of solution you applied, and how this will and give you a better result. So next thing is, how will the campus expert program enable you to support your local community better? So if you have a community, then how this campus expert program support your community and give different type of things. So here you can just write about that, if you got a training about from GitHub campus expert for any type of things, that you also want to make any tutorials, so that anybody means all got that type of trainings for free because of your videos which you are going to train on the YouTube or any type of things. So this type of things you can mention here. Last thing is, why community leaders should strive to build diverse and inclusive spaces. So this type of things you need to write on your own. I'm not going means I already rejected two times in this after applying for this. So I am not that who are going to explain all about this. Means you all guys are very intelligent than me. So you just go and apply for this. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. Means I just explain two type of questions. Last is what type of community leaders who should strive build diverse and inclusive spaces. So this type of things you can apply, means you can write by your own. At the last, different type of things means eligibility criteria. Greater means your age is more than 18 years old, and if you can dedicate 20 hours more than in program training. So yeah, I think you all can do this. I would like to contact it via email for the purpose of receiving campus experts, and I read all the GitHub campus expert code of conduct. So you can just check all this. And also, where did you hear about the program? So here different type of things are there. You can just select GitHub student developer pack, because when you go through GitHub student developer pack, there is a mention about the GitHub campus expert program. So you can choose that GitHub campus expert, event, newsletter, teacher, other. You can choose other also. So I think if you choose GitHub student developer pack, then they got that you got a GitHub student developer pack, and in that from that you can go and apply for this. Then this is more beneficial for you. And after writing all of this, just submit this. There is a not very big things you need to do. Means this writing part is very important. Other things you can do, I know. So you need to be very creative for writing this. And if you are a creative writer, then you will definitely get this GitHub campus expert. And so this is whole in this video. I explained all the things. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like this video, and also please share with your friends also. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video.